All right, guys. Welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to create sliders using a slider revolution. Now, what this helps to do is help you to beautify your site. It helps to, in fact, let's just dive into it and see how powerful and how useful it is. Now, in the last video, I showed us how to customize your header, and at this point, we want to create a slider to have a beautiful landing page. Let me quickly show us something. Let me quickly show us an example of example of sliders. How beautiful and how powerful it is to use this in a particular website. Let's say Solution Ministry of Alright, this is an example of a slider. You see this image moving. You see this is an example of a slider. This is a slider. This is an example of a slider. It's very beautiful for a website. It beautifies your website and makes your website look mature and look great. So instead of it to be static, it will move. Look at it. Very awesome, very creative, and what have you. So this is what we are going to achieve at the end of this video. Now let's also take a look at this one. So this is also another example of a slider. Remember that we are looking towards this website. This is another example of a slider, but probably in this website they use a video as a slider. So that is what we are going to be creating right away. How to do stuff like this. So let's dive into our own site we are creating. Let's see what we can do about that. All right, welcome back. Now this is the website we are creating. Now what you need to do is, once you log in, you click on the dashboard. From the dashboard, we need to install that slider. It's a plugin. We need to install it. But remember that when I was doing in the last video, I showed us how to install the plugin. But let's take a look at it. Go to plugin. For you to do that, you go to plugin, add new plugin, then upload plugin, choose file. This is where we have it, slider. Understand? Slider, click on add. Now I'm not going to install it because we have already installed it. If I install it now, it will tell me that it's already existing. So once you install it, after installation, you scroll down to the bottom, you see what you call what slider. It will show up here, slider revolution. In that mind, you now come here, click slider revolution. Now once you click, it will take you back, it will take you to this page, to this interface. What you just need to do is what? Click on new slider. Now clicking on the new slider now take you to this page. Now what you need to do is, first of all, you have to enter the name of the slider. What is like? Let's say Creative Minds slider. Yes. So make sure the name here is the same as the name here. Also, it will, so make sure it corresponds. So you copy it, paste it here. It will automatically generates a code for you to paste paste it in a particular area on that particular page. Don't worry, I'll show us. So what you just need to do is just hover it and click copy. Then probably you save it on this. You save it elsewhere because we are going to need it. We're going to need it here. You paste it there. We're going to need it later on. So after that, you scroll down, leave it on this standard slider, and scroll down, leave it on this auto, or probably can click on full width. Then after which you scroll down. Now we want to customize the size. The normal customized size is 1200 by 400 or 500. Depending on how you want it to be long, how long it is. Now look at this slider. This slider from here to here, you see that it's short compared to this one, compared to this wise marketing. Look at it. This slider is very big. Look at it from the beginning down to the end. So you see it covered. So it depends on how how long you want it to be. So you go back there, the slider. So in the standard one, use 1200 by 500. Let's use mix of 500. You click on it, you click on this one, activate this one, 500. Now this is what is showing you. And this is how it's going to look when you use a desktop. When you use a desktop mode to view it, this is how it's going to look like. When you use a laptop to view it, this is how it's going to look like. Then when you use a tablet, in the tablet form, this is how it's going to show. And we click on mobile. When you use mobile, this is how it's going to show. So we need to configure all of them to make sure that all of them when you view it on any of the devices, it will look very great. So this one is 400. So that's that. So next thing you're going to do, you scroll up again and click on save. Then after save, it should take you here, and this is the area we need to bring in our images and all that. Now for us to do that, you come back to your Photoshop again, or whichever device you are using. Make sure you use the right size. Click on new. Now we are not going to be using pixel. The pixel is 1200 by we choose on that slider, you want 200 by 500. So leave it on this 300 as a resolution. So you click on add new, you click on it. Then let's check what background do we really need to use. Now I'll take us back to a website. There's a particular area there's one place we download good and fantastic background. We call number one, we have Pixabay. Just click on Pixabay, and show us there. Then click on the first one, which is pixabay.com. Now these are one of the best places you can download high graphic image, very high graphic image. They are free, don't buy them. Very free images. So over on it, then you come here, you click, you search maybe related web design, enter. It will show you different images you can use for your website. Very sleek, very nice, very cool. These are images, high graphic images, very nice, and they are free to download. What you just need to do is just, first of all, you come, you sign up, or probably I already signed up. I wouldn't want to sign up again, but you come here, pick anyone you want to pick. Let's say stuff like this. Let's see stuff like this. Let's say scroll down. Let's see what we got. Stuff like this. Let's see stuff like this. Okay, let's download this first. We've gotten this. Okay, we've gotten this, and what you need to click download. Choose the resolution you want it. From there, you just choose say download. It will automatically download. You see that it's already downloaded. Now let's go to the next one. Go back to this next one. Let's view another one. What another one do we really need to download again? Let's see. Let's download something like this. Click on downloads. No more downloads. Load it again. Let's go back again. Remember, we are talking of web design. So any area web design you are doing, that is where you have to search the image. That's where you search the image. Yes, maybe stuff like this. Okay, this is stuff like this for websites. See, downloads. Check another one that is very good for that. Check something like this. check something like that. Then go back again. Let's download some few of them. Okay, maybe something like this. Maybe something like this. And download. So it all depends on the area or the area of web design you are on. If, for example, maybe something like digital marketing, you search for digital marketing, maybe for example of surgeon, any area, mechanical, construction. So just come here and search for that particular area of it you are interested in. It will just show you numerous. Maybe for example, you want to use maybe construction. You see that it will give you the exact image that fits in your search. See that? Very, very important. So that is that. So let's go back. I think we've downloaded some of them. Let's go back and see what we've got here. Let's show it on the folder. Don't keep seeing this one of it. Then okay, let's view by downloads. Let's sort by dates. Let us sort by dates. Sort by date for me, please. Alright, have 1, have 2, have 1, have 2, we have 3. And you see how other ones I've already done it before. Let's see what we got. Maybe something like this. Something like this. Maybe something like this. Maybe other stuff like this. Then let's paste it. Let me add it to where we are. Our contents folder. Yes, these are the image you might be using. Now let's go back to our where we are designing. All right. Where is our slider? This is our slider. So the next thing to do now is to upload it. Now to do that, you click on this main background image. You click, it was here, you click on it and you click on media. Once you click on media, it take you back to your media and you click on upload. But before we upload, let's quickly get some tweak. So once you come here, you click on file, please. Where are all right, first of all, let's use this one. We are using this one. Then you expand it. You expand it and come here. Let's darken it a bit. Okay, I think stuff like this is good. So that the text will reflect. Let's save. Let's say slider 1. Let's put it on PNG or JPEG, whichever one is okay. Then after this, you go back again. Let's do for this one the same thing. Do that. Then let's make it something like this. Let's see, slider 2, slider 2, and let's go back to the next one. Slider 3. I love this. slider 3, like that. Then next one, let's see the last and on the list. Let's see this one. I say stuff like this. It's cool. And I don't like that. I don't like that image. I don't know. I don't like it. Let me change it. Stuff similar. Alright, another play where I also download free images on splash.com. Once you just click on splash.com, it's also another good place to download images. Then you come back here and search maybe web design. Okay, it's taking a while. I don't like this image. I don't like that. Yes, Unsplash is also another place where you download input images and all that. Okay, I think I'm seeing some good stuffs here. I'm seeing some good stuffs. Alright, I think I like this. I think I love that. Okay, let me do this. So because of time, we don't really want to go into full stuff like that. So what you need to do is just download the image that fits in your stuff per time. Just download the image you know that are good for you for that at that particular time, that particular page. Yes, I think I love this stuff like this. Yeah, just download. They are free. You can download them as many as you want. See, once I click it will download. So they are very, very nice, and you can always get what you want. Only get what you want. Only get what you want. Yes, only get what you want. Okay, I think that's enough. Let's quickly work. Let me quickly work with this one. This last one, I'm going to go to this. Okay, let's go back to our Photoshop and see what we got. I think I love this. We'll expand it, then bring this interface on. Wow, I love this. Let's see. Kind of 4. Kind of 4. All right. Okay. Let's quickly see what we've got. Let's go back to the website and let's go back to our slider and upload image. So for us to upload image, what you need to do, first of all, click on this background image, click on this, and it will take you back here. Click on upload because we don't have the picture yet. Then go back to your video where you have them on your system. You click. I'm going to use stuff like this first, but first thing first, we use stuff like this. Use stuff like this. Okay, let me just upload the one of all of them at a time. Let me upload all of them at once and embed them there. Okay, first one is gone. Let's see sats. Yes, you see this, very cool and very fantastic. Now, how do we customize it? Let's visit our sample website. You see, we are web development providing affordable digital marketing. So this is what we are going to write on the page. We are web development, we are creative, we are management. Let's first go with that. We are management. So want to write a test, we want you to say add, click on tests. So you hover this there, click, see, we are management. On that, then click on it. Let's customize it. This is the test size, so let's say make it 45, something like this. No, let's make it something like 60, and this is let's say 65. Then you see that. Right, let's customize that. Then you come here, providing what? Affordable digital marketing solutions. Click on that, then go back here. Let's see, add another text. This is what we got. Okay, that's what we got. This is and then just reduce the size a bit. If that is too much, 20. Okay, then let's see what else can we. Okay, blah blah blah, blah video animation, blah blah. Okay, why is marketing providing a quality solution to business growth? The most. Okay, let's add something like that. Let's add something like job. Let's see. Let's duplicate this because we're going to add something to it. Okay, let's say let us add here. Let's double click. Then let's add that line of text to it. Yes. Okay, we're going to say so. We're going to do something like this. Stuff like this. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, we are the management, the most popular service. Okay, let's tweak it a bit. Let's tweak it. Most popular web design and development the globe, then providing affordable digital marketing and for SMEs. Okay, let's see what we can do with this. I think it's too long. Let's cut it. Let's see what we can. Let's make this one 25. This 20. Then that one we copy it. Let's see what we can do about it. Paste it. Affordable with affordable. Okay, the most popular web design and development service provider across the globe. I think this one is cool and all that. Okay, let's remove this one first. Yes, let's remove this. Then let's add something beautiful to it. Let's add what we call call to action. Yes, call to action. Once they see it, you want them to take action immediately, right? All right, see what we're going to do now. We're going to add a button to it. We're going to add a button. This is a button, and this will make them to take action immediately. All right, let's pick up that. Then let's edit this. Save. Request a quote. This is a button, a call to action button. CTA. Call it CTA. Now let's beautify it. Let's see what we've got. Next thing to do, let's take it up a bit so I can edit it. Click on this, then request the quote. Then that is for configure. Let's first change the font. I don't like that font, so what does you come back here on poppins. I think I like poppins a lot. I like that thing, that okay, let's use open sound. If that is not up on, click open sounds. Open sounds loading. Let's see. All right, now that's done. Let's change the background. I don't like that background. Let's change it to something red. And check it to something red. And change to something red. Let's move down. There's something red. I think there's something red is beautiful. Then let's go to spaces. Spaces, we don't have too much space, but need to change to like 20. And from here on this one again to like 20. And I think the rest are okay. And the border is okay. And the hover, what's the hover? White. This hover is white. Let's change the minutes. Say 300. Then the next thing you need to do now is to come back here, push it over here. Okay, that's it. You see, very simple, cool, and so nice. Let's see what we got. Now remember, I told you when we were setting up the slider, I told us that we set up for desktop, we set up for what's it called, we set up uh, for laptop settings, set another one for what's it called, mobile device. So all you need to do now is to make this respond on make it to be responsive on mobile across all devices. That's what I'm saying. So the next thing to do now, after you might have done this, which is okay. Before then, let's quickly add animation to it. How do you want it to appear? Let's quickly check for this one. Let's click on this one and let's add animation to go to animation. How do you want to appear? You click, then you choose anyone. You want to mark from the zoom, smooth march from left, and all that. So pop in 2, pop in 1, pop slide march from top, and all that. So what do we need? Anyone you feel you want to use, you are free to use. Let's say short from bottom, blah 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 blah. I think we should choose this. Anyone. Then from there you choose save. So once you save, it is save. So now the next thing to do now is for it to be responsive across all mobile. What it does is you click on the next one. This one is going to be for laptop. Click on this one. See that? Then click on this one for the tablets. See, it is quite important you make your design should be responsive. Yes, if anybody visiting with a tablet, you should see it. Should be nice. Should be nice. The stamp should be nice, not looking too haphazardly and all that. So that's why I need to, when you are creating this, you must have to take your time. Don't rush about it. Why the system is slow. Okay, as for that, then across mobile, see, you see when somebody views from mobile and I see that it's already cutting, but that it's already cutting off. Well, so that's why it's very important you come here and you maintain it. So go back to the style, go back to the, so let's say we are going for 30 because it's too big, it will be off mobile. I think that's okay. Okay, let's say 35. Okay, that's cool. And let's go back to this one. Go back to that 23. Let's make it 15. I think 15 is going to be too much as well. Okay, let's just go with 12. It's okay. It's okay. Centralize the way you want it. And this one as well, say 13 because I'm going to reduce the other one. Yes, I'm going to reduce the one as well. Okay, let's resolve this button. I think this button is too big. Let's go back there and this button is too big. Let's say 10. Yeah, that's okay. And the space, check the spacing. Spacing is too much. Let's make this one 15. Let's make this one 15 as well. Let me this one to be 7. And this one should be 7 as well. So make all sides equal. Oh. Okay, see that? That's very good. So when you now visit on different mobile, look at it. From the desktop is cool. Then from the desktop is cool. From the laptop it's okay. When somebody viewing from laptop, you'll see it's like this. I think you should centralize this a bit. That's why I need to go back and verify them over again. Then propagate this across devices. Make sure it's responsive. That's what makes you a web designer, professional one. If somebody visits your site is looking cake and looking unorganized, you see that very organized. Then all you need to do is to click on what? Save. Then after clicking on save, it's not going to show yet. It's not going to show on your website yet. So what you need to do is we need to embed it in a particular page. So let's go through it. Remember that we copy the code then and we save the code, which is this one. So copy this code. Then let's go back to any of the page we want to embed it. Let's for example want to embed it on a whole page here on this side on this area now. So we want to embed it here. So you need to go back to your WordPress dashboard. The next thing to do, sorry, give me 1 minute. Go back to your WordPress dashboard. And okay, let's go to your pages. Click on all pages. Click on all. We want to put it on home. So click on home. Open it. Of a wash. Then after opening, so what we need to do now is we need to create a full width section from this page and put in the code. So just click on full width. Alright, the next to do now is to from here you click on where's our full width section. Okay, let's see if we're going to go again. Okay, full width section. Let's click on full width section again. From here you say insert. From insert you say full width code. So you click on full width code. Then this is the text. So this is where what we'll be pasting in here. This code that we generated from the slider. This is what we'll be pasting here. So you click on here and click paste. When you paste it, you save and exit. So this is the code. So where do you want to open? Where do we want to start from? Is it going to start from the beginning or not? So we ought to start from the beginning. So what we need to do now is to come back here. And drag this up. Drag this up, drag it 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 up. Yes, let it be here. So what you need to do is to click on update the page. So after updating, it will now reflect on the front page. On the front page. So let's visit our home page. Let's see what we got. So let's refresh it. Wow, this is wonderful and this is cool. So you see some errors we are having here. Let's go back to our slider and resolve that. That's why you need to be very proactive in terms of when you are designing. So you see, it's actually not giving us a good response. Understand? So what we need to do now is to readjust it, adjust it. Readjust it a bit. Let it flow and what have you. Do that. Let's click on this one. Take this one inside. Then now what have you? Then click on save. Then click on laptop. Come back here again. Edit it a bit. I know that's okay. Let's click on this. Remove that. So let's visit the front page. Let's see what we got again. Okay, let's see what we've got. Let's see. It's not giving us a good response. Network, please help us now. Okay, it's not really giving us what we wanted, what is needful. So let's see where the problem is coming from. Okay, let's see what we've got. Okay, that's how it is. The next video I'm also going to show you how to fully customize the slider. Until now network is bad. It's giving really network is really dealing with all this and this time. This is how it's going to look like, but in the next video I'm going to show you how to do more on the slider. And definitely I hope you really enjoy this section. Remember we talked about creating slider using realization, and that's what we have been able to achieve. We're able to achieve how to set it up, how to embed it in a particular page and all that. So probably after this time, the next video I'm going to show us how to do more of it and